Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video will be about this month grocery haul and bunch cooking, and me bunch cooking the cereals we will be eating for this month. So we will start with bunch cooking, and for the cooking I will be cooking pigeon peas. Those are the mbaazi, green grams, dengos, beans which are already cooking, and modokoi. So for today I'm using the traditional 3-stone to cook my cereals. So to cook my cereals. So mostly we use jiko la makaa, but unfortunately makaa yameisha and your girl has to improvise. So that's why I set up the 3-stone jiko kwa nyumba ya kuku so that I can cook my cereals. So guys, our cereals are cooked and ready. I'll just wait for them to cool down before putting them in the freezer. This is the next day and I'll be showing you what we bought for the groceries. So right here we have some maize flour, the Jogo ones, Ajab baking flour. We bought 3 packets. We have tissue paper, some bread, salt, some Weetabix for my baby, we have some tea leaves right there, some coconut powder, and sufficient sufuria scrubber. And right here we have some spaghettis. We love the green label ones, and some milk. For the milk, we didn't find the one that we always buy, like ATM. So in the meantime, we decided to buy the packet one. Right here we have carrots, some pilipili hoho, as serviettes too. Right here we have some mishiris, some bananas, watermelon. Nowadays my baby is a big fan of watermelon, that's why we bought it. We have some bar soap right there and aluminium foil, some tomatoes. For the tomatoes, kuna hizi zenye nimeweka hapa bado hazijaiva vizuri, so nimeziweka hapo ndo nizipeleke huko ziive. We have some ginger, garlic, some onions, and of course you all know that we love avocados, and we can't miss to buy them. So right there we have avocado, cabbage, and we have some greens. Those are the sukuma wiki and spinach. And right down here we have some potatoes. Yeah. So guys, that's all we bought for our grocery haul. Even though there are some things that we didn't manage to buy, I will be showing you later. Yeah. So that's all we bought. And from this section, we bought that from the market, from the local market. And the other shopping, the kina unga tulibuy kwa Neva supermarket. Yeah, and that's our grocery haul. And now let's go ahead and organize everything and keep everything in its storage space. Yeah.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah,
so guys, that's how I organized my fridge. And up here in the freezer we have all the cereals that we boiled, and as you can see, we have in that khaki paper we have some tilapias. Yes, and down here, as you can see, everything is all organized, and that's how I arranged my fridge. Yeah. So like I mentioned before, I'll be showing you some of the things that we didn't manage to buy the same day that we did the shopping. And for these we have, right here we have some juice, some cooking oil. For this shopping, this mini shopping, we bought all this from Power Star supermarket because they are a bit cheaper right there. So right here we have, I picked some cornflakes and some cereals for my baby, to just one to each for each packet, one for each packet, just to try out and see whether he is going to like them. We have some chocolates, we have Blue Band, some cooking oil right there, 10 liters. They were selling it at cheaper price, that's why we went it from there. And like for the milk, we decided just to buy the box packet one because last month tulisumbuka sana kuenda with the milk, unaenda unapata hakuna maziwa and it was hectic kwenda kurudi kupata hakuna maziwa, so we decided to settle for the box. And right here we have Pampers for the baby. Yeah, so that's what it meant, and that's what we bought. I'll be sharing with you a new video on how we are saving money during this inflation time. So be sure to subscribe for the next video. Yeah.